𝗪𝙣𝙮𝑗. Hi guys, how are you doing today? Happy Monday. Good evening, sir. Hi, hey, Roxy. Hi, Pyro. Hello. 𝗪𝙣𝙮𝑗, Mr. Shadow. 𝗪𝙣𝙮𝑗. Prepare for the horror of significant white space. I'm traumatized by a date I hate yesterday. What? Was it that bad? Did you guys hate it that much? Damn, man. Damn. 𝗪𝙣𝙮𝑗. Hi, Bonnie. Hello. Happy Monday. Are you having a good Monday so far? You're slightly tired. But all good now. Yeah. Did you have a day at work today? How did your work go? Or you work already, right? Or school? 𝗪𝙗𝙮, doing fine. Hope you are too. Hi, Pierre. I am doing okay. I'm actually having a bit of a tummy hurt right now. I'm having a bit of a tummy hurt, and it's I don't know. It's not that kind of tummy hurt. Before any of you guys are going to like come after me, it's not that kind. Okay, when a girl has tummy hurt, it's not always that kind of tummy hurt. I don't know. It's I haven't had coffee in a while, and I did have coffee today, so maybe that was it. I'm not sure actually. Yesterday was a dream. The day was very smooth for someone so wrinkly. I don't know what you mean. I don't know. I'm always kind of afraid when I do these things that like people are going to be mad, because I feel like you guys know I'm kind of bratty, and you guys know I kind of like putting a twist on things. But I feel like if I do stuff like this, maybe people have like certain expectations. I don't know. I do feel like people should know better by now, but it's the internet. It happens, I guess. Hope you're doing well, ROCA. I'm gonna draw some ROCA. Whoa! Rosu, I look forward to that. Can I see? Can I see when it's done? I look forward to seeing it. You rused us, but it was fun. Hey. I'm shooting you with somebody else. Hey. It's their fault. No, it kind of is. Like, this isn't the first time I've done something like this, but I don't know. I kind of like pranking you guys. It's just what I like to do. I'm sorry. I'm such a prankster. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Ooh. It was fun and creative, and also hella weird and short classic Roxy. I like weird. Weird is good. Weird is not boring. Weird is good. No, not anymore. Not when AI slop code is everywhere. I'd rather see someone earnestly learn, even if they make mistakes. Hey, I see. I'll do my best. It's been a while since I played. I actually wrote a code in my free time. And I kind of wanted to show you guys. And I know it's going to look like ass. I know you guys are going to look at it and you're going to be like, Jesus fucking Christ, there's this thing that you could have just used instead. But I like the code that I wrote, and I wrote it all myself, and I was kind of proud of it when it finally worked, because I legitimately, like, I was just sitting in bed and like having like several like epiphanies, like, wait a minute, I think this is gonna work. Like me just running to my PC and like just putting it in and then trying it, and then it failed every fucking time. That happened like, I don't know, like several times before it actually finally worked. So yeah, it was kind of fun. It was kind of fun. It's kind of like puzzles. I like problem solving. I like problem solving. If the computer doesn't make you feel like a complete moron, you've not gotten the idea of programming. Okay, but listen up here. I already feel like a complete moron even without the computer, so I think maybe I'm born to code. I don't know, man. I have the feeling of being a moron. I have that all the time. I was born with that. I came out of the womb feeling like a fucking moron. So, Base battle programmer, wait, battle programmer? Wait, what? How does that work? Whatever. Is that a good thing, though? Is it a good thing to be one of you guys? I don't know. I don't think so. I'm probably pissing people off with this stream already. I feel like some people just don't like the game. I'm sorry. I do. So I do. And I mentioned it before, but I actually have some really cool ideas coming up for March. So I wanted to take the week before March, kind of chill, just kind of to do whatever I want. But I got something cool for you guys. So if you guys don't like this shit, you guys prefer other shit, well, look forward to March, because I got cool stuff. Hopefully you like it. I did my best. I did my best coming up with a cool idea. I always try my best to try to think of ways to entertain you guys, because I like entertaining you guys. Ken, welcome to the Gemstones. Welcome back, I see. Welcome back. Ooh. I can tell you like it. It's a marathon week of programming. Well, I mean, it's been a while, and I mentioned that I wanted to like try just playing a game, like the same game like a few times in a row, just see how that goes, really. Because I feel like with this game, it's kind of relevant. I already hurt myself by like not playing it for a while. I'm gonna look at my own code. I'm gonna be like, what the fuck did I write here? Who the fuck wrote this? Or what the fuck does it mean? Because I don't even remember. I was really proud like about the code and I wanted to show you guys, but I'm gonna look at it now and I'm not even gonna like have any recollection of like what the fuck I wrote. So yeah, just be ready for that, I guess. I tried to like quickly have a bit of like a refresher and just read through the tech tree and whatever, but I did my best. I might have forgotten some things, a lot of things, maybe. Maybe when I look at my college notes. Dude, I'm exactly the same. I was always kind of envious of you know, like I have people in my class who like okay, I'm gonna say it. It was mostly women. It was mostly girls, and I actually felt very like inadequate. Because, man, some of these girls can write notes. Exactly. That's what I mean. I don't know if you heard that. If you heard that explosion, exactly. It's like you. Sorry. Sorry, it's a little bit of loud. It's funny, guys, but like no. Some of you guys. Wait. What do I want to say? Some of you guys are weird. Sorry, I completely lost my train of thought. What did I want to say? I don't know. Somebody said like a lot cuter than that badass voice, and I was like, wait, what? What are you referring to? Okay. Some of you guys, some of those girls, they write notes. It looks like out of like. It looks like a computer made it. I don't know. It looks perfect. It looks pretty. They make all these little cool diagrams and they make all these fucking like cool drawings with it. And there's like picture perfect handwriting and stuff like that. And I don't have that at all. I'm terrible at making notes. I envy people who can do that. Dude, whenever I try to do that, what happens is I make like a cool diagram or something, or a cool like whatever art, you know, to go with my notes, and then I try to like write to fit like write text like right beside it, and then I find out that my paper's too small, and it happens like all the fucking time, and then I just give up, and then I look at it and it looks like ass, and like I need to redo this, and I redo it like 3 more times, and I feel like okay, well now it's not really worth it anymore. I'm spending much more time on these notes than I'm like studying. I don't know. It's so annoying. Dude, it already happens like the first thing, like when I write the title, I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna write this cool title in bubble letters. And then I write it and it's already off center, and I already hate myself. Like, I don't know how they do it. How do they do that, man? I can't fucking do it. I can't do it. So what ends up happening is I end up writing as fast as I can, and I'm like, yeah, I understand my own handwriting. I understand what I wrote here. I'll just, you know, like, I just trying to be convenient. And then I look at it later and I'm like, what the fuck was I talking about? What the fuck was I on about? Like, what does it even mean? I don't even know what they're getting at. The big fancy SpongeBob V. I wish I could, man. I just straight up can't. I don't know. I kind of want to get into like calligraphy or something. I've been thinking about it. I used to actually do Japanese calligraphy. You guys know that. Did I ever mention that? I can actually like do like so like kanji pretty well. But when it comes to like just writing stuff, like, you know, how I normally write, I don't know, in English or whatever, I just can't fucking do it. It always looks like ass. My handwriting looks like Comic Sans. Not that I think of. I think you didn't. Could be that I didn't mention it, but I had calligraphy. I had calligraphy lessons for a while for that. It was actually it started because one of my neighbors was a Japanese lady, and you know, back in the day, I mean, right now still, but like back in the day, I was like a turbo weeb, you know, like I mean like a turbo weeb, but like I wanted to speak Japanese fluently, you know. So you know, I learned that lady moved into the same street, you know, so it was one of my neighbors, and I was like, damn, I want to learn Japanese. So like I went to her house and like I like talked a little bit with her, and she gave lessons, and she said that she was giving lessons. But the problem was she was like a calligraphy enthusiast. Like she fucking loved that shit. And the lessons, like, they started with like learning Japanese, but they eventually just turned into calligraphy lessons against my will. And at some point, I was there. I don't know, like they had this little like ink block that you had to like rub on this like ink place or something into the water to kind of like dissolve like the dry ink into the water, like to make like wet ink so you can actually write. And I was just sitting there and I was just like, what the fuck am I doing? What the fuck am I? How did this even start? But I felt kind of sorry for her, too. So like, I felt bad because she seemed really happy about it. So I just kind of went through it, and it was not bad. It was fun. Yeah, I actually kind of liked it. I liked it, but you know, it wasn't what I wanted to learn. I wanted to learn Japanese because I wanted to be an anime character. So, so yeah, I don't know. You will reach calligraphy enlightenment and then you can watch anime without subs. I don't think that's how it works, man. I just wanted to learn how to speak it. I don't know. Consider Roxy. I don't know, I just felt bad for her because she seemed really happy about it. And I was like, it's not so bad, you know. But I did eventually quit because school was just a bit like... It was just a lot to handle. I had a lot to study for. I gave myself a hard time by wanting to do good and everything. So I ended up quitting the calligraphy class just to focus on like studies at school. And then I just never went back to it. But I kind of miss it. I don't know. I kind of miss it. Maybe I should pick it up again. At least you learned something along the way. That's true. So yeah, no. Today we are going to play the damn programming game again. Yeah. What was it even called? The farmer is replaced? Was replaced? I don't know. Semantics. But yeah, no. I'm gonna show you guys my code, I guess. So I did have to start in like a new save file because I forgot everything before again, and then like I had to redo everything to kind of like refresh my memory again. And here, look, I'll show you guys. I'll just show you guys. Give me a second. Wow, I love that transition. It's always so freaking smooth. Well, you know what I don't like? I don't like that this window doesn't... It's kind of like out of the... Like, it's not really in the frame. Wait. That bothers me. There. Sorry, guys. That bothers me. So, yeah. No. Check this out. So, I looked into something. Last time, we were looking into the tech tree, and some of you guys mentioned, companions. So, I played around with that a little bit. So, just to get back to it. Here. Was it... Wait, this one? Polyculture? Yeah, no. So the polyculture thing, that like a companion thing, I think, was it? Here. I'm gonna just read it for you all. There. Don't look at the code yet. Don't look at the code yet. Don't fucking judge it yet. You may have already noticed that sometimes plants yield more when planted together. Grass, bushes, trees, and carrots yield more when you have the right plant companion. Companion presence is different for each individual plant and cannot be predicted. Fortunately, the companion preference of the plant under the drone can be measured using getCompanion. It returns a tuple, I don't even know if you pronounce it right, where the first element is the type of plant it wants as its companion, and the second element is the position where it wants its companion. So, plant type, XY, equals like getCompanion. Okay. For example, if you plant a bush and then call getCompanion, it will return something like entities carrot and then 3, 5. This means that this bush would like to have carrots at the position 3, 5. 3, 5. So if you plant carrots at 3, 5 and then harvest the bush, it will yield more wood. The growth stage of the carrot doesn't matter. Yee. A plant's companion preference can be either entity's grass, entity's bush, or entity's trees, or entity's carrot. Which honestly, I don't know. That I find it kind of annoying. I find it very annoying that okay, at least it's not pumpkins, because that would have, I don't know. You know what? Pumpkins wouldn't even have been that bad. I find the tree really annoying. But you'll see later. Each plant chooses this randomly, but it will always choose a different plant than itself. The position can also be any position within 3 moves of the plant except the position of the plant itself. Yeah, I was kind of confused about this, actually, because it says the position can be the position within 3 moves of the plant. So far, most cases are that it's way further than 3 moves, so I don't really know what they actually meant by this. If there is no plant under the drone that has a companion preference, get companion will return none. Before polyculture is unlocked, the yield multiplier is 5. It doubles every time you upgrade it. So, I tried to work on it. So what we essentially needed to do is we needed to plant some random thing, and then, you know, get the companion. Then it will tell us, okay, it wants this thing, and then like plant, like go there to that position, plant it. And so what my idea was is there was 2 ways to do this. Either you plant something and it wants a companion, and you go to where it wants a companion. You plant something there, and then you get the companion of that plant, which apparently these plants are not monogamous. They are, okay, they are kind of, they don't love each other. They don't love each other. So this plant will tell you like, okay, I want a fucking tree here, and then this same tree will tell you, well, I want a carrot all the way here. So it's like they don't love each other. It's not mutual. It's not mutual. And that fucking pissed me off. I don't know. It was very annoying. It was very annoying. So my idea was like, either I can do like, okay, get this, plant a companion, and then get the companion of that companion, and then plant that companion, and then, you know, get the companion of that companion, and then go on, so forth, so forth. Or I can go here, get this companion, plant this companion, return, and then go to the next block, and then get this companion, and then go on. Which, I wrote both of them. So look. It's gonna look really fucking weird, and it's gonna look really fucking fast. I don't really know how to slow it down for you guys to like see. Yeah, I know, it's like a fucking Plan's Love triangle or an entire fucking field. So okay, that was a test, so ignore the test. But like I got the 2 options, you know, like one of them goes front and the other one just gets companion for companion. Now I was a bit autistic about it. So I made it so that this drone can like read the coordinates and go to the coordinates. But here's the thing. I wanted this drone to be able to always take the shortest path to that place. And there, as you know, like this world's like fucking donut world. So if you go here, like say, okay, if you plant something here and it wants a companion here, I wanted it to be able to like cross the world and then just go here instead of like going all the way there, like so. Yeah, no, I figured it out. So this is the first one I came up with. Here, I want to make it big so you guys can see it. It's big, I'm sorry. It's like giant. Also, I tried to not make it too big. So this is the first one I came up with. And it runs like so. And sometimes it gets stuck. Because the problem with this is those trees take fucking long to grow. Yeah, and then sometimes stuff like that happens because, you know, the trees or the carrot has to grow and it gets stuck. It's a really funky pattern because it will just take like the companion of like one place and then take it there. I tested it, it actually works. As you can see, this is a fuck ton of carrots because it has the companion. All of these will have their companion Except for that one, I guess. Damn, what happened? Yeah, okay, sometimes they want the same companion. Like, they want a different companion in the same fucking spot. Yeah, this is the problem. This is why I don't really like this way. But I mean, it's able to, like, move around somewhat. Then there's this one. I maybe like this one a bit better. I'm not sure. I'm not sure about it. But this one, it takes a companion of this, and then it returns every time. Yeah. Oh, I forgot to remove the print, I guess. So you can kind of see, like, where it wants its shit. I guess I could remove the print to kind of make it a bit faster. It does that. I don't know. So yeah, no, that's what I came up with. And it looks like this, so you guys can, like, judge if you want to judge. This is even longer, damn. So let's see, what did I do here? So I worked with, what is it? That was this new thing with the variables. Yeah, that's what it was called. And then I had to, like, make all these, like, okay, so I had to make a list first. I had to work with lists at first because these companions, they work with lists. So you get that list, and then, you know, like, I would get the position of X, the position of Y, and then I made this formula that kind of makes sure that it decides what, like, the shortest distance is to, like, go there. Like, the shortest route. Does the first script get stuck when a plant wants a companion in a spot already occupied by another plant? No, it will just plant over it, which that is a flaw, I guess. But it's just how it is. Like, I can't really think of a solution for that. Yeah, no. So yeah, this is what I came up with. And I was honestly kind of proud of it because, maybe not necessarily of, like, how it works. I was pretty proud of, like, being able to, like, the Pathfinder thingy. I don't know. Like, I thought that was kind of clever. I guess you guys don't really, like, don't really see the struggle. But, like, as you can see, like, it will always take the shortest route. It's very fast. Maybe it's useless. I don't know. But yeah, you can see, like, these carrots always. And this one specifically... Oh, this one has an issue. Where is the one that's companion? We're probably on a stupid spot. But, like, I wanted to do the Pathfinder thingy, but I couldn't be ours. But I saw so many people who, like, also started playing this game because I played it, and it kind of makes me happy to see that. So no, I came up with this. Yeah, but that's something. And after making this, I came to the conclusion that the companion thing isn't worth it. Or at least not yet. Maybe I have to upgrade it a few times for it to be worth it. But it really felt like it wasn't worth all the fucking trouble. So I did this just for fuck's sake. Like, for whatever. I don't know, just for myself, I guess. It's kind of worthless. I mean, it doubles it by 10. Like, it doubles it by 10. It multiplies it by 10. But it's not really that worth it. I say that, but then look at the amount of carrots I have. So yeah, just let's go back. I didn't really take a look at, like, what I should unlock, but I can probably, like, unlock a bunch of stuff already right now. Let's see. We already have this fully unlocked. Speed is fully unlocked. We need more pumpkins. Oh my god. Yeah, that's a whole fucking can of worms. I don't want to open. I don't like your pumpkins. You're annoying. I don't like the pumpkins. Okay, we already had that. So this is grass. Are we lacking grass? Do we need grass? Is it worth spending that much wood? Holy moly, 3.9 million. Damn. I haven't really gotten to watering yet. I don't know. It feels not worth it either. When I read, like, what it was about, it just doesn't really seem worth it. It makes it, like, faster, but then I'd rather just use the fertilizer and, like, have it, like, risk it being half. It's like, whatever. I haven't looked into sunflowers yet. Well, I guess we could upgrade that. Quite a few times, actually. That felt kind of satisfying. And this... Oh, we can upgrade that. That's fine. Sunflowers are weird too. I'm scared now. I'm kind of scared. Wait, maybe we can like let it run. Like, what was the pumpkin thing we had going on? Let's just let it run on the pumpkins. What was I doing? Why did I run carrots like that? Oh, I remember. I wanted to make it like a grid, so... What is it? I did it on purpose, so... We don't run out of, like, seeds, because the pumpkin seeds require carrots or something. The sunflower makes your drone encode faster. I see. But how about learning how to use function that would help you out in the long term? I'll look into it. I want to just get my tech tree and like kind of like cleared up right now. Just any upgrades really. Any upgrades we can already do. And then we have what? We have this one. I haven't really worked with this set. I haven't really worked with functions yet. I can already unlock those, but I'm scared. What is that? Bones? How do you get that? Cacti? Wait. Maybe let's just go for this upgrade. The pumpkins are so freaking annoying. I kind of want to make a good pumpkin farm. Should I upgrade this, or will I need like a big amount of like wood soon? I don't really need a big amount of wood for anything. What is this? Top hat. Soon. I want to have a top hat. Dude, you can barely even see that top hat. There's nothing there. Sorry. I'm just checking out if like I need a ridiculous amount of wood before I spend all this wood. Seems like I don't need it for anything else so far. So maybe it's good to, because I do want it to be bigger. I want to expand my my farm. So like I want to go towards pumpkins. Okay. So it might be good to just do that, actually. And then we don't have enough. Oh, it's sucking me dry. Oh god. Damn, it's draining me, guys. It's draining me. It's because it's eating the grass, I think, for the carrots, is it? I think. Damn. Booey. Okay. Let's see. Let's look into some of this new stuff first, because maybe we can do something to make the pumpkins. So far we have this going on, and it's supposed to like make big pumpkins. I just want to see what it does for a bit. Sorry, it's been a while. So okay, so it did that, right? It made those like big pumpkins, and then the pumpkins need to be cleared up. So I guess the problem with this is I feel like we're not really maximizing what we can get out of this. It skips the... Yeah, no, it skips that, but it cleans it up. It's whatever, really. I don't care. I could change that. I just have to switch stuff up. Okay, and then see, it cleans up the broken pumpkins. Thanks, Steam Deck. Great to know that there's an update. I just updated today. But... Okay. Cleans it up again. I'm not farm maxing yet. So... Okay, then those... Yeah, and then they will become big pumpkins. But the top ones, they don't make it because we don't have enough space. Boo-hoo. And we need a fuck ton of pumpkins for that. And I would just harvest them. So, I was thinking maybe it's better to just have like a separate farm for the pumpkins without the carrots, because we already have a good carrot farm. It works perfectly fine. We can maximize the space. Right now our world is what, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 by 12. So that means if we have a pumpkin, if we can actually get that thing into like one big pumpkin, we can have, with every harvest, if like this, I don't even know if that's possible, but I hope so. It should be because they've made this. So 12 times 12 times 6 would give us like a fuck ton of pumpkins. I don't know, do the math. It's a fuck ton. So we gotta do that. But this space is incredibly huge. I don't think the code that I wrote right now is actually going to work, even if I like remove the carrots from that. Let me just make another pumpkins. Let's make just pumpkins. Just pumpkins. Pumpkins 2. So around the biggest pumpkin, you can still plant carrots. I would just leave the carrots out. I would just be like, fuck the carrots. It's not really worth it. I'll just do the carrots like in a separate one whenever I need them. And I'll just keep everything separated. I feel like we can kind of like work on that later. But for now, it's kind of annoying, like so. Let's see. So the pumpkin code we have. Sorry, guys. I really like don't remember most of this. Damn, that's huge. Okay, what the fuck did I write here? Okay, this. Why? What is 1.5 what? 1.5 what? Yeah, no, we have to like optimize this. First of all, let's remove the carrot thing. So we can just remove this if, I guess, because it will just be a pumpkin. Till and plant a pumpkin, okay. Jesus Christ, though. Okay. Yeah, I think I need to work with those functions, bro. I think I need to work with it. I don't know why the fuck I wrote that. Why did I do that? That's so stupid. And that's already making it a lot smaller, but not for the right reasons. Wait. Remove all of them. All of them. I'm kind of bit pissed off. Let's just try those fucking functions. So, from what I understand, let me just function. No. Yeah, go away. Function test. So, let's see how that works. It's this one, right? Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Use the def keyword to define a new function. Def f. What is arg1, arg2? Oh, it's like why? Maybe it's something we haven't learned yet. I don't know. What it is arg? I don't know. Def is define. Okay, define. Okay, no, that makes argument. Argument 1, argument. Hey, how does that work then? Okay, whatever. I'm gonna read into it further, and if I still don't understand, okay. In function code, you can use the call operator to call the function f42. Okay, so this is just a placeholder. Okay, so this is why 42? Is that just an example or? Okay, I feel kind of stupid because like I looked here and I literally just like, don't I already understand it right? Like it says define do 2 flips, and then it just tells me that do 2 flips means that it does everything that comes after that. Isn't that what it means? Isn't that just literally it? Yeah, the way is it giving me all this mumbo jumbo? Like this is mucho texto, man. Well, let's just read it anyway, because I don't want to skip over anything. Also see scopes to learn about local and global variables and functions. I'm scared. I'm scared. Okay, introduction. I'm scared. Ah, my tummy already hurts. You've already seen built-in functions like harvest. You can also define your own functions, which allows structuring your code in a modular way. It basically allows you to give a name to a block of code so you can call it from anywhere you want. That would definitely shorten it out because we have a lot of repetition in our code right now. Function definitions. For example, you could define a function that moves the drone several times. So define, so move and direction. I don't really understand like what comes after it, like this part. I don't really get it. Wait. Let's just read further. Okay, whatever, that's the example. The define keyword signals that this is a function definition. Move and direction is the name that the function gets bound to. This can be any valid variable name, okay, and will be used to call the function. Okay, so I can just name it whatever. Oh, and there are our parameters. Oh, okay, I have to see if I understand that. They are variables that hold the values that are passed into the functions. These values are also called arguments. Great, I wish I explained that earlier. You can add as many parameters to a function definition as you want. After the column comes the code block that will run when the function... Wait. The code block that will run when the function is called. Okay. With the above definition, the following code then moves the drone 10 tiles north and 2 tiles west. Oh, I get it. Okay, I'm sorry. I think I get it. I think I understand. I think so. It's a little complicated, I'll admit. But I have to get used to this. But I think I understand. So, okay, so this is the function, and then this is the stuff that you can do, and you can already put it, and you can put in like multiple things already. So this is kind of like a list, or is this a list then? How many can you put in? Just 2? Or as many as you want? Is 2 the maximum? It's just like a list. 64. Why specifically that? Why specific? Any as I want. Okay, we don't want to have a list. That's too long though. That'll be confusing. Okay, I think I understand. Okay, so yeah, no, this is just like anything really. And then for I in range, yeah, so n, so it takes the n from here and like takes it from there. So it will just do this. This will be like that, and then it will use the numbers that are inside, or yeah, or that like it assigns to like these things. Okay, I think I get it. I think the actual limit is 256. Why those specific numbers? Why? I want to know why. As many as you want. If there's a limit, it might be a power of 2 because computers use binary to store numbers. Oh, I see. Ah, okay, I didn't know that. When you see define function, you should really think of it as a variable assignment like this. Function is create new function objects. Okay, I think I get it. But they just explained that. It's kind of okay. Like with all assignments, you can't use the variable before it was assigned. Whoa, damn, he's yelling that to me. The define statement has to run before any function calls. This code will throw an error. Yeah, I mean, yeah. Like, this is pretty straightforward. Anyway, I feel like this is like asking it to do something before telling it how to do it. Yeah, that's just how everything works, I guess. Return values. I'm scared. Should we already go into this, or should we just go try the function first? Is this related, or is this a completely different thing? Use the return keyword to make a function return a value. For example, the following function defines the exclusive OR operation. Okay, the exclusive OR returns true if one value is true and the other one is false. I'm scared, guys. I don't understand. Define I think XOR? Is that what they are trying to get at? Or XOR? XOR? Why XOR? I don't know. Whatever they're trying to get at. That's the function now. Okay, that function. I don't understand the return thing. I really don't. Hey. Exclusive or oh, okay. So if sorry, what did this mean again? It's not equal to that's like if it does not equal to, right? Not equal. Okay. Okay, I forgot. Also, that when you zoom out, it just looks like an eye. My brain is exploding already, guys. Okay, so if exclusive or A is like true, B is false, do a flip. Why do you need this? I don't really understand the use of this. And there's yet another one. Damn, this is a big one so far. Like, even more default arguments. I don't get it. You can also assign default arguments that will be used if no arguments are passed. So define f, A is false. If A, do a flip. I don't understand. Maybe I should just try this. Maybe I should just copy it and see what happens. Can I try that? Can I try that? Let's get this shit out of the way. Let's just give it a try. I feel I need to see it. Actually, why do I have to open like 2 times? Clean your workspace. Wait. Okay, so wait. Let's just try them out. So say we do this. Okay, I think I understand this part of it. And then this comes right after then, right? Like, I can just drop that right there. Like so, I think. So it will define this function, and whatever it is, and then because it is, it will just go 10 steps to the north now. Okay. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. And then now it will go 2 steps to the west. So, okay. Okay, that one I understand. That makes sense. And then I could essentially just put in anything. Like, I could change this to like, I don't know, like 5 or something, and like south. And then it will go to the south like 5 times. And what it does is I don't have to like write this over and over and over again. I can literally just write that once, and then, you know, this thing will happen with whatever I put in here. Yeah. Okay, that I understand. 𝐿, a way better example of return would be define add AB. Wait, it's kind of hard to read because it doesn't have the structure. It's all just mumbo jumbo. It's all just right after each other. Define add AB, return A plus B, for which I don't understand. Define add would become 3. Oh, okay. I think I get it. Okay, I think so. I think I understand. I have to see it. Let's just see if I understand. We will figure it out while I actually use it. And but yeah, okay. Wait, what is this? Oh yeah, no. This was a stupid thing. I thought that was pretty straightforward. I don't really need to try that. So let's try this one out. Let's see what that does. Does this even work then? I don't understand it, because doesn't it need more information for this to actually be tested? Like, where is it getting A or B from? Just because I wrote it here? Because it says if, then do it. But where is it getting A? Where is it? Wait, I don't understand. Am I missing information? It gets it from a place you call XOR, like, which is supply. And arguments in the call A. Hey. It's like it's our AB and you're telling the function what to do with A and B. This is really hard. I feel like I don't get it. Kaizo's, wait, let me look at Kaizo, what Kaizo's that, because return A plus B, for which honestly, I think that's a clearer example. I think I understand somewhat, but I guess for me it's kind of hard to find a placement in my mind because I can't really think of like why I would use this yet. But maybe once I see it, it kind of drops and I'm like, okay, well this is where I can use it. All right, let's see. The default arguments. You can also assign default values that would be used if no arguments are passed. So define F. A is false if A what? If A is false, do a flip. Let's see though. I'll just do the freaking flip. I don't get this one either. An argument that has a default value cannot be followed if an argument doesn't have a default value. So what if I change this to like false? Will it just not do the flip? Or will it do the flip? If A means the same as A is true. Oh, okay. It will not do the flip if it's false then, yeah. But if it's true, then it does. Okay. And if this is true... Wait, sorry. Then it will do the flip? Okay, but... Okay, yeah, I get it. I get it. So, then if this is false... It won't do the flip? Or it will do the flip? Yeah, it will. But I don't get why. I don't understand. Sasuga, this one's hard. Man, you guys told me functions would be useful, but this is difficult. Advanced function usage. You mean this wasn't advanced enough yet? What do you mean advanced function usage? That was already advanced. What do you mean by that? There's more. I don't even fucking understand this. I'm moving on from this. I don't understand it. You're telling me there's more difficult stuff? Okay. Whew. Okay. Functions are values just like any other value, and a defined statement just acts like an assignment statement, assigning the function to whatever name you give it. This allows doing things like define F, define D, do a flip, return D. Yeah, I don't understand. I'm scared, guys. Can I like just not do this? I think the beginning part was like, I think this was like, you know, this part, it's useful. And I understand it, and I can see use right away. But I don't feel like I can actually use this in anything right now. So like, let me just, okay, I won't worry about it. I'm sorry, I'm doing the thing again. I'll just read through it, and I'll accept that I'm stupid. How's that? How does that sound? I think that sounds great. I'll read it, and I accept that I don't get it, and that I'm stupid, and that I don't understand its use yet. Okay. Okay, yeah, whatever. Okay, here f calls the function f, which defines and returns a new function d. The second, whatever it is you call that, then executes the return function and performs flip. Doing these sort of things is usually not a good idea because it's hard to see what's going on. Then why would you explain it? What? Why would you explain it? What? So why would you do it? The keyword is usually. So you mean that there's use for this? So that you mean that there is a time where this is just the only thing to do? ROCA should bring AI on board and let AI read text. Damn, what happened on 25th of October for you to have an opinion like that? No. What happened, bro? I'm sorry. I hope... Got well soon. Yeah. Functions that take other functions... as arguments let you get really creative. Define f, g, org for... Okay. This drone moves... They did this called moves the drone north 10 times and then uses fertilizer 10 times. Why would it have to use fertilizer 10 times in the same spot? Or am I understanding it? So, okay, so are you telling me it moves north one step and then uses fertilizer and then north another step, fertilizer, north, one, fertilizer? Or does it like move north 10 steps and then use fertilizer 10 times on the same spot? Let's check it out, I guess. We have this cool feature that may not be used at all, but it's cool as fuck, so you need to know this typical programming tism that I can't. Okay, let's see what it does. I like the sound. Oops, sorry. Fuck. I changed the window, I'm sorry. Oh, that's annoying. Did I... Oh, I hate myself. Sorry, I accidentally did that. Wait. There. Okay. Sorry. Man. Okay. Why would you want that, though? But okay. Maybe there's a use. Maybe there's a use where we need to do something 10 times. I don't know. Alright. So, I think I sort of understand functions. The important part that I need right now. Which we're gonna rewrite this bullshit that I wrote, because what the fuck is this, right? So, I would think that I need to, like, maybe define first. So... Oof. What are we gonna name this, though? What are we doing again? Damn, there's also, like, carrots in here. We just want the carrots completely gone. So... let's define the pumpkin. Just planting a pumpkin. Plant pumpkin? Maybe just... But that's annoying, actually, because we already used plant for something. Let's just call it pumpkin 1? I don't know. Pumpkin 1. I don't like this. Is there like a rule to the naming, actually? Do you actually use for that kind of thing called a callback? Is that you have some shared middle code, but replace a certain part as an argument function? I think I understand that, but I see, huh? Pumpkin Prime. Is that what do you guys want to call this? We can just call it whatever, I guess. Pumpkin 2. Really? Dougas. We call it Dougas. Pumpkin. Why do I hate that? Why do I hate that? Jack. Pumpkin 2 Electric Blue. We're trying to make things shorter here. Look. What does this function do? It will till the ground if it needs to be tilled, and it will plant the pumpkins and harvest the pumpkin if it needs. No, it will not harvest the pumpkin. It will just plant the pumpkin. It will just till the ground and plant the pumpkin. Plant the pumpkin. Plant the pumpkin. Pump 2. Plant pumpkins perfectly fine. You can use space for function names. Yeah, I was thinking that, but I thought maybe Pump Kings is how I'd name it. Pump Kings, okay. Why does it have the same energy as like hamster? You know, like I don't know, like Pump Kings has the same energy as hamster. No, okay, that's gonna be it. Plant Pump Kings. What are the kings pumping though? Does it need to have like a number? It doesn't really need to repeat anything, so we can just leave it as is then. Then what it would do is it would get the ground type. So if it would just do this. Like if it's the ground. If the ground type is grassland, it will till and it will plant the pumpkin. Thanks. I love it. There. I think that's it. Okay. I don't know. Why did it do this? Oh, this was like the zigzag pattern that we made. Okay. So then pumpkins, like this is, so then we can just replace this entire thing with the pumpkins. Like, why? Fucking indentation, I fucking hate it. We can just do that. Like pumpkins. The pumpkins. I hate the word pumpkins, actually. Pumpkins, that's so stupid. Almost correct? Fuck you, Chewy. I can't. I can't, guys. You guys are mean to me. That's what you are. Almost correct. Looks like code from hell. Guards. I don't like him. I'm sorry. 25th of October just pisses me off. Can you please get him? Guards. Just like... Sorry, I just want to make a statement. If you just like go on here to like just piss me off, just for the sake of pissing me off, this is what happens, by the way, guys. So don't do that. Yeah, no. Seize him. I can't. Yeah, no. I guess we'll never find out what happened on the 25th of October, but do we really want to? I don't know. I wonder how April Fool's this year will be like. Crickets. Nobody will be there. I'll be pissed off with everybody. Now just watch the cheddar got that a snap. Do you want to be next? Mr. Canadian. No, don't get him. Look, he didn't do anything wrong. I'm just trolling. But like, let me just try this first before like I fuck everything in my life ever up. Oh, there. That's where the issue is already again. Isn't enough indentation? What? Why not? Okay, so it moves north and then why would it need indentation? What? Oh. I may be restored. Okay, there. Now you can go to sleep finally, I guess. Roll what? Oh, I might be double restored. I don't even have to add that thing. I just fucking copied the thing, but of course it's just that freaking thing. Okay, well now that I have finally been enlightened, I've been put in my place. It's okay. No, like I said, I already know I'm a moron. Okay, I know I'm stupid. That's nothing new. Let's just see how this works out. Okay, so it defines it. Whoa! And then what happens is it should move north now, and then it should do all the things that it did here. Nice. So now it gets it does that, like the world size times. So I mean that should like. You know what? It fucking works. What about harvesting? Not yet. Not yet. We have to like let the pumpkins grow. Like as you can see, they break, and then we have to remove those broken pumpkins. Damn, what's up with this jazz? Yeah, see, now I will clean up the broken pumpkins. Which we already wrote this code. Like, this works fine, I guess. But we can clean that part up, too. We can write another function for that. I just want to see if it's even possible to get a pumpkin that big. Damn, this freaking Jasmine. Oh, fuck. Well... Wait, where's the freaking... I'm sorry, this jazz is kind of crazy. Wait, I'm listening. Wait, you got my attention now. Damn. Okay, but it's still doing that, like, stupid-ass, carrot thing. We didn't clean up the rest of our code yet. We wanted to remove the carrots in that too. And as you can see, it's fucking huge. So... Now we need to do one with harvest, I guess. Do we just write another function for that? Okay, let's just write another one for that and just call it plant pumpkins and harvest plant harvest pumpkins. Who the frick is messaging me? Oh, it's just the goils. Okay. Yeah, and then I'm sorry. Wait, let me just turn that off. Wait, I think it's this one, yeah. Okay. Let's see. Okay, this one. And then I just... oh no, wait. We were gonna like add the harvest thing to it. Like, if harvest... I don't know if harvest can harvest. There was no way to count like how many the yield was going, the harvest was going to be, and then base like harvest based on that, right? Sorry, I kind of forgot. Cause there's one later on. Cause that would save me like a lot of trouble, honestly. I wouldn't even have to do this whole like repetition thing. It could just tell me like, yeah, this is your right amount, and then harvest it. Later on, okay, well then we're not doing it, I guess. Okay, whatever. So then it would harvest it, I guess. If can harvest, then harvest. And then it gets the ground type. And then I can just put this one everywhere here. In all of these for the freaking zigzag pattern. I'm being stupid again. Yeah, no, I'm sorry you didn't see that. Ignore that. Ignore I ever did that. I don't know. That wasn't me. That was Patricia. I didn't do that. I don't know who did. I don't know. Well, man, reading my own code is a pain in the ass, honestly. You know what? Maybe maybe October 25th was onto something. Well, anyway, doesn't matter anymore. You can talk from the void. He was onto something. He was a visionary. He was Wait, what's the issue? Why not? Well, I guess it doesn't even have to be here, so like whatever, I guess. Like eh? So why is it like flipping out on me right now? The open brackets on the previous... Oh! Damn, I didn't even notice that. Eh? By the way, I noticed for why in Rage 1 that will just do the thing once, why I heard a loop. Yeah, I actually don't know why I wrote that Eater Yogurt. It's a... But you guys were here when I wrote this. Why did I? Like, why did I do that? I think maybe it was a different number at first and I just changed it. And I just didn't really think about it. You guys were here when I wrote that. Shut up, I was just speaking the language of God. Let me be. Yeah, no, like, I could just remove this, so... I guess. It feels a bit... I feel a bit scared, I don't know. This is the right thing to do, right? What if it breaks? Like, what if it breaks now? What do I do? Let's go, like, end myself, I guess. I already broke it. Who of you is the real Mr. Krabs? Okay, let's see what the issue is here. I see what it is. I think it's this one, isn't it? I think that's it, right? If it breaks, you can add the mind break tag to the stream. Oh, fuck off. I think that's it. I actually kind of hate reading my own code already. I don't like the way I code. It pisses me off. Like stupid. So now we cleaned it up at least. Okay. You're thinking like a real coder. So the way to become a programmer is to just hate myself. Hey. Sounds like the hallmark of a pro. Everyone hates what they do. Honestly, that is kind of true. I hate my own content. I kind of hate it. Like, I would have watched myself. I would have watched myself. I don't know. Like, it's. I'm already not really a stream watcher. I feel. Oh, that this is an issue. It's too big right now, and this is an issue. See, so we have this like zigzag pattern going on, and it's all fucking swell until the harvest. I just want. Okay, I'm sorry. I just need to see if it's possible to make a pumpkin that big. And once we figure that out, I'll solve this issue. Let me just see if it's possible first. Okay, let me see if it's possible first. This was the harvest part, so how do I change this to like 2? Wait, what does this do again? I don't know what it does, but let's check it out. You can make a pumpkin as big as your space. I want to see it. I want to see it before I believe it. Why did we do 2.5 again? Am I gonna find out why we did that? Or 1.5? Doesn't the game have a hard cap on pumpkin size? That's what I'm trying to figure out. They didn't like say that, so I think it shouldn't. But I want to see it before like I write an entire code, only to find out that the mechanics don't even work that way. Hey, at least I learned about functions, so even if like I spent like, I don't know, hours after this not achieving anything, I learned something. Wow! I love it. He's my baby. I love him. Oh, okay, that works apparently. That works. That works. That works. That works. Doesn't this just like work? Also, would it be faster to just, because I saw something about like the fertilizer. Also, that's a huge that harvested a lot of pumpkins. I kind of want to see how big it is. Sorry, I kind of want to see it happen again. I want to see how much yield it gives. I should have checked the first time. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. Okay, let's see. Damn, okay. That pumpkin gives 13.8k. Holy moly. Honestly, this one already works pretty well. This is an improvement, I think. I think this is worth it. I think it's worth not doing the carrots in the same one. This just gives like a huge amount, so so that's great. I like how it highlights the code that's running. Did you set it up? No, I wish I could do something cool like that. That's just in the game. That's just part of the game. Let's see. Raxid, I didn't actually read what you wrote, so let me just read this. This is a good time to mention code commenting now that you are done with your function. If you want to write something about your code for you to read in the future, you can start a line with okay, like a hashtag thingy, yes, and write non-code text there. You can put it anywhere. Oh, so that's just for yourself to like write. That's just like a note. Ah, okay. I see how that works. Lana, thank you so much for the raid. Oh my god, welcome raiders. Hi. Hi, raiders. Are there any coding raiders? You You in the future will appreciate comments. Yeah, if I can understand what I wrote. Which, that's bold of you to assume. Bold of you to assume I understand myself, sir. Alright, let's see. We got a bunch of stuff here. I just want to kind of get it out of the way. We don't really need the companion thing now. It's a cool, neat code that I wrote, but it was not worth it at all. It was not worth the amount of effort I put into that. Let's see. So this works, but I want to write another pumpkin code. And I want to kind of try the fertilizer thing. So the fertilizer, it says here that it... Oh, my tummy hurts so much. You have no idea what it hurts. Hey, why does it sting? Why does it sting? Why does it sting? Hey. Maybe I'll just take off my pants or something. I don't know. Ah! It really fucking stings, actually. I really don't feel so good. Maybe I'll need to drink something. Did you eat something? I did. I don't think it was bad at all. I ate it yesterday and it was fine. And I freshly prepared it yesterday. Sorry. Maybe drinking will help. You may want to check out import too, because then you can spread them over multiple windows. Wait, what do you mean by that? We're not coding raiders. I gave up on learning Python at 19. Hey, I never even started coding at that age. Actually, I think the closest I've gotten to like coding, I guess. Do you consider that code? I don't know. Like, I had like IT class, and what did I do? Like, you know, they taught me like basic stuff like HTML and whatever, and then they taught me like a little bit of like CSS, I think. Not just HTML. I know, like, I'm some people like they mention like HTML is not real code. I still don't know why. I don't understand why, but I want to believe you guys if you say that. I think the most coding I did was programming on Arduino. Oh, I want to work with that. I actually have a really cool idea. And this is also one of the reasons why I want to learn how to like code a little bit. I want to use that to program something. I have a really cool idea. I'm not going to tell you guys what it is yet. I don't want you guys to have expectations. But I want to actually learn it for a purpose. I'm not just learning it for the sake of it. Like, I guess this, I'm not sure if I'm learning Python for this, but I don't know. That's it, right? Yeah, okay, that's it. We can delete this one. Are you trying to learn code to take over the world? Maybe I am, but don't tell anybody. No, I'm not. I'm not, actually. I would never do such a thing. I would never do such a thing. Microcontrollers are fun, but Arduinos are a bit pricey. That's okay, I don't mind investing in learning something new. And if you use an Arduino and you don't, like, you end up not using, can you like resell it easily, or is it hard to like sell an already used one? Just wondering. Like if I found out I hate it or something. I feel like if I can easily resell something, I'm always more likely to buy it. I'm very good with money. I don't spend stuff on stuff I don't actually need. You can resell them. I mean, that's great then. Sometimes I wish the world worked like in video games, where you could just easily resell everything without any issue. I hate how much time and effort reselling something takes. I don't know. It bothers me. It's just... Especially if you're trying to sell like stuff. Okay, because in video games you can just walk into a store and you can buy and sell. I wish it would work like that, but it doesn't work like that. So what you have to do, you have to sell stuff, you know, to other people. Where are you gonna sell stuff? You have a shop, a store. Well, you can't do that. I can't just randomly start a store over here. In some countries that's possible. Here it's not. So what do? I guess I have other stores as well where you can have like a little spot. You have to pay for that. that sucks too. Why do you have to pay for it? I don't want to pay for that. So the only other option you have is just selling it online. But selling it online is a whole different beast, man. I have tried to... Okay, my parents have worked in online selling, online retail for a long time. And I am not sure if I would be like up for it. I guess I could try it, but it's so much time goes into that, man. It's actually really fucking exhausting. And you deal with all these like people who aren't serious about buying. I guess if you're selling something that's actually worth it, it's cool. But if you're selling like small stuff, I feel like a lot of times it's just not worth the effort. It really depends on like how much money you're actually making. Because, you know, the amount of like shitty like bids you get, or people who all ghost you, who aren't serious, who treat you like shit, or they show up to your house and they don't even buy anything and they just leave. I don't know. It just seems like a pain in the ass, really. So unless it's like something I could get a lot of money for, I feel like I wouldn't really sell anything online. I guess in my parents' case, it worked out fine. Because they did mostly antiques, so... Let's see how this fucker works, huh? I want to work with you. Fertilizer, so... Let's see. Because this is very slow. At some point, waiting for the plants to grow is just not efficient enough anymore. Similar to water, you'll automatically receive 1 fertilizer every 10 seconds. We have a fuck ton of fertilizer. Doubling with each upgrade. Yeah, I said the F word. I do that. Fertilizer can make plants grow instantly. Use items. Item fertilizer reduces the remaining growth time of the plant under the drone by 2 seconds. Wait, reduces the... Okay, so it doesn't instantly grow it then. Or does it? But it says it grows instantly, and then it says it reduces it by 2 seconds, so it's not instantly, right? Oh, it can make plants grow instantly, but it doesn't always do that. You can keep fertilizing until it's grown. But then it's not growing instantly. Yeah, okay, wording. I feel like this is kind of misleading wording, if I understand it correctly. It reduces the growth time, but it doesn't always instantly like finish growing, if you know what I mean. Oh, hi Sid, good to see you again. Oh, it's great to see you too, thank you. This has some side effects. Plants grown with fertilizer will be infected. When a plant is infected, half of its heat is turned into weird substance when it is harvested. Weird substance can also be used on plants, which has the effect of toggling the infected status of the plant and all adjacent plants. So if you use item weird substance on an infected plant, it will cure it, but if you use it on a healthy plant, it will infect it. I see. If you use it on an infected plant that has healthy neighbors, it will cure the plant but infect the neighbors and vice versa. So, okay, this is the idea that I have. Listen up. So what it's doing right now, it's running like multiple loops over it. Just to check, like it has one loop where it just plants everywhere. Then it has several ones where it just cleans up all the broken pumpkins. And then it would do that, I think, what was it, like 3 times or something? Or like world times size, I don't fucking know how many times. Many times. And then it will harvest it. This is a lot of wasted movements. Because sometimes there's just nothing to be cleaned up. And there can even be times where, you know, there's actually still a broken one. And then it's not foolproof. Waste of time and foolproof. So what I want to do is I want to use this fertilizer. I want to make sure that right after it plants the pumpkin, it will fertilize it. And it will just fertilize every single pumpkin. It'll just fertilize it so it grows instantly. And then if it's broken, it will instantly replace it until it is sure that the spot has a fully grown pumpkin, and then it will step to the next spot. Yeah. And then it just keeps doing that. So it doesn't need to have like these several like zigzag runs over it. Then, you know, when it comes to the end, that means that a giant pumpkin would have hopefully formed, if I do it correctly. It will test if that pumpkin, because it's one entity, if that pumpkin is what, infected, I guess, what's it called? Yeah, infected? Wait, sorry, maybe I misunderstood. Okay, no, it will test if it's infected, and if it's infected, it will cure it, and if it's healthy, then it will just harvest it, and then I will get full yield of 13 point whatever, that number 2, I think, pumpkins. Yeah, but you don't get fertilizer that fast. Yeah, but I also have like 6,000 of it, so I'm like, whatever. This will just be like the luxury pumpkin where I can use the fertilizer. Because, I mean, this works fine too. This is not a broken code, it's just not as efficient. I think it'll be fine. I think it'll be fine. It's still quite big, it still takes quite some time. So let's just... Where did we write it? Okay, this is like... Pumpkin 3, I guess. Sorry, I talk a lot about what I do. I kind of just want you guys to like understand what I'm actually doing. So okay, what we do is, how do we go about this? Plants and fertilize. Sometimes I wonder, okay, can I ask you guys something, especially people who have like coding experience? Do you feel like it's faster to copy your passcode and edit the code? Or do you think it's easier to just rewrite the entire thing from scratch? What do you prefer doing? Because I feel like maybe it's easier to just rewrite it from scratch. I don't know. But I guess maybe this is easier to copy paste because of the zigzag pattern. I kind of don't want to go through the trouble. Depends on the case. Copy paste is your friend. We import the code. Gut feeling. Like if you like have to change like many things in the code. Depends on the number of lines. Yeah, in Python, just rewrite it. The indentation makes a massive mess. Yeah, that's kind of what I hate about this. Like honestly, I think that's the most annoying thing I've come across so far. Is the indentation. It's just kind of a pain in the ass. If it's many, I just start from scratch. Hey, I see. Wouldn't the zigzag pattern be better if we had a function to for taking steps in the pattern and reuse that? Wait, what do you mean by that? I don't understand. No need to rewrite if the pattern is the same, but if you are repeating patterns, there's a sign that you need a higher level abstraction. Wow, what does it mean? What? I don't understand. Sorry. Wait, okay. Okay, well, it will fertilize the pumpkins, and then what it would do is it will, of course, it will get the ground type, till the ground, and after it has done that, it will... I'll make a loop. I think that's how it works. While, can harvest is false, so there's no entity. It will plant a pumpkin and then fertilize. How do you do that? What was it again? Use item for item fertilize. Is that what it was? Like this? That's it, right? Sorry, I kind of forgot. Sorry, I'm kind of stupid. Use item. Okay, no, that's it. Okay. I think you only need to plant it once. No, I need to plant it several times until it can be harvested. Then as soon as it harvests, it can be harvested. It will move on. Let's just test it. Sorry if I'm being stupid, guys. I feel kind of bad if I'm being stupid. Let me just try it, okay? Sorry, like I kind of learned through trial and error, so let me just make mistakes. Wait. Place it there? Oh, because I fucking changed the dumbass function. Okay. I may be stupid. Why did I even do that? Oh, to bully myself, I remember. Okay. It's because I hate myself, guys. I'm just trying to get into that, like, true coder, programmer mindset. Come on, break. See, it will clean it up until it's, like, it actually, like, fixed itself. Okay, but this is an issue, though. It pisses me. Okay. I think, who was it who said that, Paprika? I think that pissed you off. I will fix this one. This one's for you. This one's for you. This one's for you. I hate indentation. Okay. I think it's really just for that one, right? Like... Isn't that the only one I needed to change, really? Wait, sorry. Oops. None. It was, in fact, not the only one. Okay, well, okay. I understand. I'm just gonna change all of them just for good luck. I feel no, it's honestly like I should, because else I'm like one behind. I fucking hate indentation so much. Yeah. I'll fix that harvesting later. It's fine. No, yeah, wrong one. I just want to see if that works. That's all. It does fix, like, it immediately grows the pumpkin. It's very satisfying to see, I will say. Well, well, well. This is really satisfying to see. So by doing a single plant before entering the for loop. I guess so, but wait, whatever. Maybe in the long run this will help, I don't know. Finally all is right in the world. There is at least like one person who can finally sleep at night now, because the VTuber has finally done it right. Like, damn, she finally did it right. He was already pissed off like last stream and he hasn't been able to sleep. Damn. So, okay. It doesn't need to like repeat itself. Okay. That's all I want. That's all I needed to know. So we know that... I don't know why we sure love courage, but... Okay, so that is fixed. And then it only needs to happen once. So I need to remove all this freaking indentation. Okay. And then, The first thing that it would do is, okay, so it moves, okay, north, move east from there. And then after it moves east, it will... actually, can't I just remove this entire thing? I don't really need this anymore then. Feels scary to delete my code just like that. I'm worried. We'll do this world last time. So if... how can you check if an entity is sick? If an entity is that in census? Deleting code is even better than writing it. I don't know about that. It gives me anxiety. Check and fertilizer again. It didn't mention. I remember asking that question. So let's just see if entity type, if get companion, get entity type, get world size. If get entity type, I think then this equals to what does this mean? What does ℼ mean? I wish it would tell me if something is like infected or not. Else if. Oh, okay. Because Python just had to be special. Why did they write it like that? Okay, I see. Just put those two words together, like, okay. Yeah, I don't fucking know what it's called when something's infected. Entity infected or something? Plant fertilize. Okay, no, that's what I wrote myself. How can I even do that? Can it even detect if it's infected or not? Corrupted? Yeah, no. You know what? Maybe it's always infected. Actually, I want to see. Is it ever not infected? It will always get the disease from the pumpkins to the side, right? There's no chance that it won't. It will always be sick. Because it will always, like, the fertilizer document. No, this is it. But it didn't mention anything about, like, how to check. If you use it on an infected plant that has healthy neighbors, it will cure the plant. You know what? I think plant blighted? Really? There is a way to check item weird substance. If item is weird substance. But do you need like get entity type? It never explained it. Maybe I just do use. I just assume that it's always infected, maybe. What's in weird substance? Weird substance. Where is the weird substance? Is it there? I don't see it. This is very confusing. I wish there was like a search function. It's not there. Oh, here. You have 0. For more information, see for... I get it. Okay. Dude, this is like fucking making adult phone calls every fucking time. It's always like that. You call somebody and they're like, oh no, we don't go about that. You need to call this other person. And then you call the other person and then they will tell you, yeah, no, if you want to have more information about that, you need to call like that same fucking person you just spoke to. This is what it feels like. Whatever. I will just assume that it will always be infected, I guess. And I've yet to see it not be infected. If... Yeah. Roka, why do you sometimes stop the entire thing and sometimes you like go down and you find it, like you don't press the enter thing? I don't know, I'm stupid. I don't know why I do that. Let's just see if it gets infected or not. How does it even look if it's infected? It's a purple thing, right? Or not? If it's purple, it's infected? Really? Yeah, but then it's just always infected. Look, it's just like never not infected. So it's whatever, I guess. It does look like kind of sick. Yo, it looks sick, man. Wait. 𝙳𝙗𝙗, do it again. Wait, why didn't it do it? Purple is always a dangerous sign? What? Why are you saying that? Why are you saying that? So, why isn't it doing this thing? Like... Infected means it grows without going bad? Yeah, apparently, but it just gives you like half the yield. Which it does give half the yield, I guess, so... With one extra weird substance. Maybe I'll do that. That's maybe better. And then I will finish it with use weird substance. What happens when can harvest function is played? Oh, I'm being stupid. Or am I? It is true, yeah. Okay. Or don't I need that? Do I need that? No, I don't. I've never used it. I don't need it. I don't. So... I don't know, I started to doubt myself for a second. But I don't actually need that. No, I've done it before. As you can see, I was just looking at my older codes. I never used that and it always worked, so... What's the issue now, huh, sir? Oh, I don't have... Ah! I don't have any weird substance yet. I never harvested one with weird substance. Oh... That's why I couldn't use it. I see. I didn't fucking realize that. I never actually harvested it yet, so we just need to harvest it once. Yeah. Double loop 3 times. Why would I do that? So now I have the weird substance. Yeah, I have an extra loop now. That's kind of annoying. So I do it... Wait, I'm kind of confused. No! Are you fucking kidding me? Okay, well, I'm giving up on the weird substance. Okay. I thought it would be one entity. No, okay. No, yeah, okay. I was not expecting that. Are you fucking kidding me? Okay, no. Okay, so the infection, even though it's one entity, is only per block. Even though the entire pumpkin covers the entire block. So if you want to disinfect this entire pumpkin, it needs to disinfect the entire thing. To get the pumpkin, yeah. It's not worth it. I could do it. I have an idea on how to do it. It will involve me working with a pattern because, as you can see, that infection thing, it's like it disinfects like everything around it too. It feels like it's not worth it. Why would you do it? I feel like I'd rather move on to like a different crop then. Okay, let's do that then. Lazy. What? Well, I'm the one actually doing it. You're just the one watching it, so more lazy. Alright. Let's see. Dismissing the problem is a great problem-solving method. Well, okay, if it was actually worth it, I would do it, but it feels like it's just not really worth it. Like, I essentially have to like do another like run all over this field again, which is huge, which will take me, you know, the same amount of time of like just doing this again and getting the other half of the yield. Think about it. You know, maybe there's a slight difference depending on like how unlucky I am with like the broken pumpkins. Like, you know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? I'm coping, am I? Oh, you know what? I'm coping. Thank you so much for liking my outfit. I really like my outfit too. Why do we care that it's infected? Okay, you can find the explanation online and not be lazy. This problem is not worth my time. It's a core skill most people in tech lack, actually. Let's go. I will fix like that. It will like, you know, like run it again. I think the issue is fixed by doing this. But I might be wrong. No, why am I having it? Wait. So it will... Okay, this is like, it will move north. Yeah, so it will like more. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's like a what? Like a fourth of like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, okay. So this is like a third. So it'll be like 3 times, Jin. Rather, no, like world size divided by world size is 12. The answer needs to be 3 times 4. There. The inside of the loop covers 2 columns? Really? I thought... Oh, you're right. It's 2, not 4. I don't know why I thought that. You're completely correct. You're completely correct. No, you're right. So it needs to do it 6 times. Sorry. I was somewhere else with my mind. 𝐿𝐼𝙠𝙗𝙗𝙗. What's the issue? Oh. Oh, the stupid fertilizer. Yeah, no, we're gonna remove that because it's just... Oh no, we need the fertilizer. Why is it like doing that to my fertilizer actually? It's stuck there, yeah. Why is that fertilized thing even there? Like, shouldn't the fertilized part be part of this actually? Like, oh no, it is. It is. What? Oh, can harvest is false? So it's just stuck because it can't harvest. Because there's just nothing there. Okay, I see. Understand. Is it because we lack carrots? Ah, you're right. Damn. Okay, because I was like, why did it like work before? I didn't know this. Why did I do this again? Oh, I remember. It's because the carrots needed the wood or something to grow, I think. But isn't like the companion one I wrote for carrots a bit better now, the companion planter? This one. Let me just remove that. Sorry, it's pissing me off. Why is it printing for me? Where is it printing? It does not need to print. Some of them don't get their companions. Or maybe it needs to be fully grown for the companion to be, like, there. Maybe that's it. It's usually good practice to comment out print statements rather than deleting them. Yes, but for this case, it would always change. It was print like it would print a companion of this, and the companion always changes. So it's not something that's like constant. This was honestly just for me to, like, while I was writing this code, see if it actually did what I wanted it to do. So that's why I feel like there's just nothing to say about it. It's pretty straightforward. Cards are actually going pretty fast. You know what? The companion thing was maybe not as useless as I thought it was. Maybe once we upgrade it, it's actually better. Where is the companion thing? It's just that we don't have those bones yet. But, like, if that changes to, like, 2000%, yo, that's pretty sweet. That would be pretty sweet. Okay, let's just clear it up and, just see if the pumpkin thing works. I just want to see it work, really. What were we even planning to buy? I don't remember. We needed a lot of pumpkins for what, exactly? Oh, okay. I guess we could get that. Well, I ruined it now. Give me a second. Okay, but this is kind of scary. Because this pumpkin's gonna be huge. I'm surprised it yields pretty fast. The companion thing wasn't as bad, so it wasn't that much. It wasn't that big of a deal. It wasn't that much of a waste of time. Cactus gives you that command you wanted. Ooh, I'm gonna check that out. Let me just see my big pumpkin in the making first. Now I'll check it out. It's the great pumpkin Charlie Brown. It's gonna explode! He's a big boy. Erase them all by myself. Damn, look at that. I should treat my pumpkin, please respond. Damn, if your pumpkin's this big though, if you actually have a pumpkin IRL this big, I'll respond. I'll promise. Ooh. Crazy. It's kind of mesmerizing to see. I don't know. Okay. Get ready, guys. Get ready. Here, it's gonna come. It's gonna come. Oh! It's so satisfying. It's so satisfying. Wow. Phrasing, dude. I literally say it's gonna come. Like, what object are you watching? I didn't say I didn't say you. I didn't say like a person. I said like it's, as in like it's an object. Like what? What, Smeagol? Like, is this like fucking Gollum? Like, say it's gonna come. It puts the lotion on its skin, okay? I'm sorry, Student, you're out of yourself as a fucking goon. You're the one there. You're the one with the issue, and you try to project it onto me. Like, I want to see how big it is. In my defense, I'm Gen Z. What the fuck does that even mean, bro? My precious. God, that's 12 points. That's crazy. Okay, let's see. What else can we buy? We need more wood. We need bigger expansions. What carrots? We need a fuck ton of wood, actually. Pumpkins weren't even the issue. Why was I, like, worrying about pumpkins? Sunflowers. Cactus. Oh, damn, mazes. A maze with a treasure inside, in the middle. I'm worried. I'm worried. 12k is exactly the same as the one before, so nothing gained. Yes. 12k is the non-infected one. Now it's a 12k infected pumpkin. We were only getting 6. Remember, the yield was halved because the pumpkin's infected, because we made it a bit more, a bit faster. Okay, let's do some flowers first, I guess, or let's, you know, let's just get that one, maybe, the dinosaurs thing. I'm scared, guys. Taking on a new crop. Alright, let's see. Tummy hurts. It really fucking stings, guys. I'm not sure if I can stream for too long, actually. I feel really bad. Like other plants, cacti can be grown, sown, and harvested as usual. However, they come in various sizes and have a strange sense of order. Hey, they're just like you guys. Hey, cacti stones. Hey. If you harvest a fully grown cactus and all neighboring cacti are in sorted order, it will also harvest all neighboring cacti reclusively. Oh, so they're like attached to each other? Hey? cactus is considered to be in sorted order if all neighboring cacti to the north and east are fully grown and larger or equal in size, and all neighboring cacti to the south and west are fully grown and smaller or equal. What the fuck? Okay. Okay. So we need to create a very carefully crafted pattern here. I see. Damn. The harvest will only spread if all adjacent cacti are fully grown. Sorry, my tummy really hurts. I'm sorry. Wait, give me a second. Oh, it really fucking hurts. Why does it hurt so much? Maybe I did eat something wrong. Fuck. I actually really don't feel good, guys. I'm so sorry. I'm actually excited about the cactus one because this is like a new thing to take on. I was really excited about this, but I feel really bad. Milk reaction. I actually had my coffee black, so it's not milk. I'm pretty sure about that. I'm not lactose intolerant. Yeah, no, fuck. I feel really fucking bad. Damn it. I want to play. You know what? No, I'm sorry. I think I really need to rest, guys. I'm sorry. It really fucking hurts. It stings. It actually stings, but I really want to fucking play. Okay, let me at least finish reading this. Let me at least finish reading this so I can think about it in bed. Okay, while I fucking suffer and like have my tummy sting. Okay, sorry. Let me just read it again. The harvest will only spread if all adjacent cacti are fully grown and in sorted order. This means that if a square of grown cacti is sorted by size and you harvest one cactus, it will harvest the entire square. A fully grown cactus will appear brown if it's not sorted. Once sorted, it will turn green again. You will receive... Oh, I feel sick. You will receive cactus equal to the number of... Cactus equal to the number of harvested cacti squared. So if you harvest n cacti simultaneously, you will receive... Wait, what was that again? Sorry, I need to read it again, what they use. The freaking double star. What was this again? Oh, to the power off. Okay, I see. Okay, I understand. It was fucking power. Oh, Rima, thank you so much for the raids. Hi, welcome raiders. I'm so sorry. I might actually like end shortly though. I still wanna let you know I appreciate the raid, but I feel really sick, so I might end quickly. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I didn't want to let your raid go to waste. Alright, I raid another lovely lady. Let's see, where was I? The size of a cactus can be measured with measure. It is always one of these numbers. You can also pass a direction to measure the neighboring tile in the direction of the drone. You can swap a cactus with its neighbor in any direction using the swap command. Swap direction and swaps the object under the drone with the object one tile in the direction of the drone. In each of these grids, all cactus are in sorted order and the harvest will spread over the entire field. Okay, I understand. In this grid, only the lower left cactus is in sorted order, which is not enough for it to spread. Oh, I will not check out the hints. Okay, hi. I feel so bad. I'm so sorry, guys. We finally got a cool raid. After like what? An hour after like our previous raid, and I really don't feel so good. I'm sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. I feel really bad. But man, I want to thank you guys for today for actually like watching this. I don't wanna go. I wanna freaking play. I'm sorry. I'm kind of being stubborn now. Okay, how about if you guys like give me like maybe 5 minutes? Maybe I can. I don't know. We can get like medicine or something. No, I can't actually. I can only take ibuprofen, and that usually like upsets the tummy even more. It's kind of bad for your tummy. I want to play. I'm sorry, I'm being stubborn. I want to play. Okay, can I at least see the? Okay, I want to. Wait, one more. I just want to see the cactus. I want to see the cactus. I really want to see it. I just see the cactus, okay. I want to see him. Oh wait, what? It needs to be planted in a specific way. I wasn't even paying proper attention. On soil. Oh, on soil. Okay. It's a programming game, yes. I'm sorry, I'm not feeling too well. I got an achievement for that. Oh, and then it has a cactus, okay. This is like my first time like programming. I mean, it's not the first time playing this game, but like this is like actually doing something with programming, so. So please go easy on me. Eh? Wait, what? It just disappears like that? Hey, and then it's just brown. Cactus. 1 second. Grown 100%. Measure 1, measure 4. Okay. I see. Why is this one green though? Okay, because that one is small. Because it has like one small cactus. Oh no, it's not. It turns brown. But that one turned brown immediately. Oh, it turned brown because this one is a small one and doesn't like that. This one has to be big. So these ones have to be like big, and like the ones in here has to be small. I think I messed up the order. Well, I wasn't even trying to get the order right. See, so small, then it would be, and then if the next one is like bigger or the same size. See, this one is like fine right now, and it gives 4 because this is okay. I see. I understand. So we need to have a pattern where, you know, like we'll go by these like blocks. Man, that's actually really complicated. That's actually really complicated. What exactly do we want to achieve here? There's multiple ways to do this. We could do it like where we just go by blocks of like 3 by 3, and we only care about the pumpkin in the middle. The pumpkin, that's right, the cactus in the middle. And then the other ones are just like ignored. They can be brown, whatever, you know, because apparently they can be brown and they'll still be counted. Which that will only give you like very little. But what we can also do is we can just have a predetermined pattern, like a lot bigger, where we're like, oh, this cactus will have to be like 1, and I will keep regrowing it until it's 1 and then move on. You know what I mean? And then this one will also be like 1, you know, like, and we will create like one big pattern, which like from 1 to 9, I guess that will be like huge. And yeah, brute forcing it, as we could see, like we brute forced like growing the pumpkins, and that went pretty fast. So we could do that. It's just I have to see it actually work. I want to try everything. But that's not the intended solution, isn't it? I mean, if it works, it works. Let's see. Yeah, because it has these grids. It wants to be sorted. Wait, so it can be 0? Wait. Wait a minute. I didn't even read this well. Sorry, I have a freaking tummy hurt. You can also pass a direction into the neighboring tile. Oh, okay. I see. I'll think of something. I'll return to this and I'll think of something. I can honestly see like multiple solutions here work. I know you guys are gonna judge because you guys will probably have a favorite solution or a solution which you think is the best. I kind of want to try all of them, even if it's just for like being able to do it. But yeah. Thank you so much for today. I'm so sorry that I have to like end so abruptly. I'm actually pissed off. I'm really fucking pissed off. But, yeah, I'm pissed off mostly because I don't even know, like, why I have a tummy ache. But, man, this is the most VTuber reason to, like, end stuff. I want to say it. Well, today I have truly become John VTuber. Yeah. I will see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow we will continue with the game. So, please look forward to that. And I'm so sorry for like leaving because of tummy hurt. I mean it. It really, really fucking stinks. If it was a tiny tummy hurt, I would still stay here. I really want to fucking play, but it actually really fucking hurts. It really fucking hurts. So yeah. All right. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you so much, Raiders too. I'm sorry. Wait, my head is cut off. We can't do that. Oh no. Let's just go here. Yeah. There. Except those two, maybe it's stressful. It could be. I don't know. I've been feeling kind of stressed, but it's whatever. Alright. Bye-bye. What do you mean, immersion? This was your immersion. Dude, I'm literally, like, I come from a lab. Sometimes stuff like that happens, okay? It was just me going into a portal to another dimension. Alright. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you so much for today. I really enjoyed my time. I had a lot of fun and I really look forward to tomorrow. Maybe I'll go on a bit longer tomorrow than I intended. Alright though. Bye bye. tummy hurt you. Bye bye.